Should any other young man come looking for Mary or Kitty, send them in to me, for I am quite at my leisure.
How did you begin to fall in love with me?
I cannot fix on the hour, or the moment, or the spot, or the look. I was in the middle before I knew I had begun.
Did you admire me for my impertinence?
For the liveliness of your mind, I did.
You knew no actual good of me, but no one thinks of that when they are falling in love.
Was there no good in your affectionate behaviour towards Jane when she was ill at Netherfield?
Dearest Jane, who could have done less for her, but make a virtue of it by all means. My good qualities are under your protection, and you are to exaggerate them as much as possible. And, in return, it is up to me to find occasions for teasing and quarrelling with you as much as possible.